Hello Harmony One holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the big news, big update of the Harmony One coin. My friends, what should we do in this critical situation? Because you know what, today is the first day of the July month. In the start and the beginning of the July month, the price of the Harmony One coin start falls down. So what should we do in this critical situation? As it is time to buy more and more Harmony One coin or sale, my friends. So in this video, I will guide you. Keep watch this video complete, and if you are new to my channel, please also click the subscribe button for more news and update videos, my friends. Anyways, now it is time. The price of the Harmony One coin is 0.062255 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Harmony One coin. Furthermore, you can see the chain is open in the DGB in the last 1 hour. Last 1 day price in coin, the DGB coin is negative completely, my friends. This time the price of the I'm not talking about the DGB coin, I'm talking about the Harmony One coin, my friends. My friends, Harmony One coin is time the price is very badly fast, and you already know about this falls of the Harmony One coin. But now I want to buy a dip, my friends. I personally recommend, I will personally want to buy more and more Harmony One coin on this time, because now this time, you know what, the price from the previous last 2 months, the price of the Harmony One coin is fast down. So now this time the price of Harmony is very low. So that is why I'm telling you to buy more and more Harmony coin, because the price will become very soon increase, my friends. So if you buy more Harmony One coin, so you will get high amount of profit, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe channel for more news and update videos, my friends.